Welcome, everyone. I'm excited to kick off our journey today with the presentation titled Exploring the World. On this first slide, you'll see the main theme: producers, consumers, and the economics of needs and wants. Over the next few slides, we'll dive into how these roles shape our economy and influence our daily lives. So, let's get started and explore how the world of economics impacts us all. Become an economics expert. This is your chance to dive into the fascinating world of economics and truly understand how our world operates. Explore needs and wants. We'll look at the difference between what people truly need to survive and what they desire, those wants that add comfort or luxury to our lives. Learn exciting new terms. Economics has its own language. Concepts like supply and demand, opportunity cost, and inflation. And mastering these terms will help you think like an economist. Study how the world works. By understanding economic principles, you'll be better equipped to see how decisions are made, how markets function, and how global events impact our daily lives. Economics is your new language. So, think of learning economics as learning a new language, one that unlocks the secrets behind everything from personal choices to international policies. Together, these ideas will build your knowledge and help you engage more deeply with the world around you. Without consumers, the economy simply wouldn't move. Think about it, everyone is a consumer because we all use products to live comfortably. Whether it's food, clothing, or technology, we rely on these goods and services every day. So a consumer is basically a person who buys and uses these products to live well. It's important to understand that being a consumer is a fundamental part of how our economy functions. Every individual's purchasing decisions contribute to the bigger picture, helping businesses grow and the economy to thrive. So, when we talk about the economy, remember that it all starts with us, consumers. We all play this role every single day. Think about it, whether we're aware of it or not, we are all consumers. For example, schools are consumers when they buy textbooks for students. That's a big part of their daily operations, making them active participants in the marketplace. Families are also consumers, especially when they go out to eat at a restaurant, choosing what to order, enjoying their meal. And kids, of course, are consumers too. When they buy candy at the shop, they're making choices about what they want. This slide highlights an important point. Consumers are everywhere. No matter who we are or what we do, we're constantly involved in buying and making choices. Understanding this helps us see how pervasive the role of a consumer really is in our daily lives and in the economy as a whole. Producers earn income, which means money, for their hard work. It's their reward for creating the products and services that people want and need to live their daily lives. Think of it this way. A producer can be a person or a company that makes or provides these goods and services. So when you buy a toy or get a haircut, you're actually supporting a producer. The key idea here is that producers are essential because they supply what we need and want, and in return, they earn income. This connection between producers, their work, and income is a big part of how our economy functions. It helps us understand why people and companies work so hard to produce the things we use every day. Now, let's talk about some of the amazing people behind the scenes who help keep our everyday lives running smoothly. Dentists, for example, play a crucial role in keeping our smiles healthy. They do much more than just fix teeth. They provide a helpful service that helps us feel confident and take care of our oral health. Moving on, farmers are the hardworking individuals who grow the fresh food we enjoy every day. They produce the fruits, vegetables, and other goods that keep us nourished. Both dentists and farmers are excellent examples of producers, people who create and supply important services and goods. They are part of a larger network of producers that sustain our communities and support our health and well-being. So, when we think about the overall theme of this presentation, understanding who produces the things we rely on, these examples show just how vital their work is. They might seem ordinary, but their contributions are truly extraordinary. They rely on one another and work together in the economy. This interconnectedness is what keeps everything running smoothly. Producers create the goods and services we use to live comfortably, making sure that our needs and wants are met. On the other hand, consumers need to buy those goods and services so producers can earn income. This income allows producers to keep creating and providing what we all rely on. This mutual dependence is what we call interdependence. It really highlights that we all need each other to keep the economy moving forward. This idea ties back to the overall theme that an economy is built on relationships and cooperation between consumers and producers. So when we think about what we want, things like toys, games, and cool gadgets come to mind. These are things we would like to have. They make our lives more fun and exciting. But they're not essential for our survival, right? They're just nice extras that add enjoyment to our day. On the other hand, there are things we must have, like food, water, and a safe home. These are the basic needs that are absolutely necessary for us to survive. Without them, it would be very hard to stay healthy and safe. Understanding the difference between what we want and what we need helps us see what's truly important. It's a key part of being responsible with our resources and making good choices, whether for ourselves or when thinking about others. So remember, needs are essential for survival, while wants are what make life more enjoyable. Now let's talk about the essentials we need to survive. First up, clothes. Clothes are not just about fashion. They protect our skin from the elements and keep us comfortable no matter what season it is. Whether it's hot or cold outside, the right clothing helps us stay safe and feel good. Next, we have shelter. A home provides us with safety, warmth, and protection from weather conditions like rain, wind, or extreme temperatures. It's our personal space where we can rest and feel secure. Then there's water. Clean water is absolutely vital for every living thing on Earth. We need it for drinking, cooking, and maintaining hygiene. Without water, life simply cannot continue. Finally, we need food. Healthy food is crucial because it helps our bodies grow, repair, and stay strong. Good nutrition is the foundation of our overall health and energy. So, these are the basic needs that form the foundation of our survival. They're interconnected and essential, reminding us how important it is to take care of these basic resources in our lives and in the world around us. Wants are nice to haves. Wants make life fun, but we can live without them. The truth is, things like bicycles and tablets do make our lives more exciting. They're what we call cool gadgets that add enjoyment and convenience. Music and movies also keep us happy and entertained, giving us a break from everyday routines. And of course, there are toys and games like video games and action figures, which are super fun to play with. All of these fall under what we call the fun stuff, our many wants. While they make life more enjoyable, it's important to remember that they are not essential. Understanding the difference between needs and wants helps us make smarter choices and appreciate what really matters. That's a lot of products being used every single day. It really shows how much we rely on various goods in our daily lives. And what's fascinating is that China consumes more rice, meat, steel, and coal than any other country in the world. This highlights just how large and resource-intensive their economy is. As of 2008, China also has the highest population in the world, which really emphasizes the scale of their consumption and production. Did you know? China is actually the world's biggest consumer. This makes it a key player in global markets and resource usage. Understanding this helps us see how interconnected our world is, and why China's role is so crucial in discussions about sustainability and economic growth. Great job, explorer. Now you understand that recognizing the difference between needs and wants is key to exploring the world wisely. When you can tell what's truly necessary versus what's just desired, you make smarter choices. One day, you might even become a producer yourself, creating something amazing that others will want or need. Remember, whether you're buying a snack or dreaming of a new toy, you are a consumer, someone who uses goods or services. And because of that, you are part of the world economy, connected to others through the goods and services we all share. Understanding this helps you see how your choices fit into the bigger picture of our global community. Keep exploring and learning. You're on a great path.